Greetings, everyone, and welcome to part 2 of a heartbreaking package from Phuckinaye, the fucking prick. Yes, let's get right to it, shall we? I kind of trolled you last time by only going through the packaging contents. To give you some idea, it was pages and pages of comic books, and then more pages and pages of comic books that just broke my heart to see destroyed. And oh look, there's a note. Here we go. There's a note. We will alright, we'll read that after the titles. The actual package from Phuckinaye today on the Multimedia Chronicles. Welcome back. Okay, here we go. So let's do this good and proper now and actually get to the contents, shall we? Hey, Sean! I felt that it was time to send you some more goodies as my way of saying thank you again for all the hours you've contributed to the Multimedia Chronicles. And ironically, I took like a 2-month break right after. Sorry, I'm back now. I've stepped away from making videos of my own. All but a few have been deleted as I found that they would quickly go out of date and don't have the time to update it as I wish I did. But nonetheless, I still subscribe to you and watch your videos. Well, bless you, sir. I honor you with a fart. There we go. What you have in this package is a potpourri of stuff that I have a feeling you're going to enjoy. You might have one of these already, maybe? And I know that one of these titles is one that you have been meaning to pick up. Uh-oh. Hopefully I haven't picked it up in the 2 months since I received the package. I know that these films are in a place where they will be appreciated and well taken care of, and I can't wait to see what you think about them. So again, enjoy, and thanks again. I hope to be able to stop by the Saturday night chats once again soon. Yes, please do. Please do. You've been away for a very long time, and, well, don't be. Don't be a stranger, man. Sincerely, fuck. P.S. Before you have a nerd attack, all of these comics were in horrible condition anyway, so here you go. Yeah, I knew he mentioned that as well in his message to me prior to sending it, and I just thought I'd have a little fun in the first part there. Still, though, horrible condition or not, it still breaks my heart just to know that comics, you know, and some of those are pretty good comics too, like Star Trek and Ren and Stimpy and stuff, and Defenders of the Earth. Yeah. So I mean, it just breaks me heart that they were in horrible condition to begin with, so that destroying them in such a fashion didn't really matter by that point. So it's very sad. So before we get into the packages here, I do see that he did include an actual graphic novel here, a comic book of some kind. Let's see what we got. We have, Bernie Wrightson. Sweet. Never heard of this one, but loved the last comic you sent me, the zombie one. What was it? Hold on, I've got it right over here. Where is it? Dead Eyes Open, that's what it was. Yeah, I really enjoyed Dead Eyes Open, so you have a knack for finding interesting, obscure comics. So here we've got City of Others. What's this one about? Stosh Blodowski is a killer, born with the capacity for no apparent human emotion other than rage. Killing comes easy for Blood, and he makes a good living doing what's easy, until the day he meets 2 jobs in an alley who just won't die, and a grotesque mystery unfolds right in front of him. Soon the remorseless killer is confronted by a reality he could never imagine, and he will be invited to make a decision once and for all. Is he human, or is he other? Interesting. With artwork by Bernie Wrightson, no less. Oh, very cool. Very cool. So story by Steve Niles and Bernie Wrightson, cover and interior art by Bernie Wrightson. I love Bernie Wrightson's artwork. He's like one of my all-time favorite horror authors, so let's give you a little peek there. City of Others. I've never heard of this. That sounds awesome. Yeah, there we go. Let's check that out. This looks gorgeous. This is actually going to be a really good read for Halloween, I think. So I'm already starting on horror movies. It'd be great to read some horror comics. All right, here we go. Let's do this. So that's number 2. We want number 1. Here we go. He always puts them in a particular order. All right, number 1. I'm melting. Oh, I think I know what this might be. And if it is, it's one I have been wanting and have almost bought on several occasions. So we'll just rip apart this issue of Defenders of the Earth here and get into it. Oh, it is too sweet. Oh, awesome. The Incredible Melting Man from Scream Factory. Awesome. I have been wanting to pick this up for a while. I've held it in my hand a few times at HMV. I almost bought it the other day, actually, but they didn't have it in stock, so good thing. Good thing they didn't. We'll set these... Well, I'll put it here for now. Alright, so number 2, here we go. Canadian? Oh. A? Yeah. Quite possibly, I don't know. Welcome to Inner Space. Inner Space. You know, there's a few things this could be. It could be Inner Space. Or it could be... what's that one? Fantastic Voyage, maybe? Or... I don't know, I'm just thinking of ones... Could be something about dreams, maybe? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's take a look. We have... Oh, boy, did I call it or what? Fantastic Voyage. Fantastic! I love this. I have not seen this since I was a kid. All I remember is it has Donald Pleasance in it, and as he often does, he goes batshit crazy by the end of the movie. And of course, Inner Space, good reference there, was sort of a remake / parody of this, which I also really loved, starring Dennis Quaid and Martin Short. So great stuff. I've actually been that's one of many of the you know, the 50s and 60s sci-fi notables I've been wanting to get for a very long time. Definitely going to enjoy that. All right, next we have number 3, Back and to the Left. I don't know, maybe JFK, which I've never seen. Damn, I just know your hints. JFK. That is hilarious. Well, it's not hilarious, but it's funny. Actually, I was just reading an article on Facebook like today about JFK. Well, specifically, it was an I think it was a Cracked article about movies based on real life stories that were apparently full of shit. And JFK was one of the ones on the list. Because while it's apparently a great movie, it's not. It has quite a few historical inaccuracies. For example, the guys that apparently he pegs as the killers in the movie never met each other in real life, and one of them was in a mental institution at the time, so couldn't have done it. And but it made for an entertaining film anyway. But yeah, I've never actually seen JFK, so yeah, I will definitely enjoy that. And it's the director's cut, of course. Holy crap, it's almost 4 hours long. Wow, awesome. Well, I will definitely read that when I have 4 hours to kill. Let's see, number 4, King Kong Ain't Got Shit on Me. What could it be? King Kong Ain't Got Shit on Me. I'm going to guess either... I'm going to guess Mighty Joe Young. That's my guess. Just thinking, okay, something about King Kong that isn't King Kong. It's got to be Mighty Joe Young. And if not, it might be Gorgo, which is sort of the sort of Godzilla. And we have... Wow, not even close. We have Training Day. Yeah, I've only actually seen this once, so if that's a quote from the movie, I don't remember it because I've only seen it once. I just remember him driving with Ethan Hawke saying, you know, asking if he's got, Denzel's asking him if he's got kids, and saying how, well, you know, I've got 4 kids, all boys, so if you ever want me to set you up, just let me know. Basically saying, if you ever want me to knock up your wife, let me know. Very classy. Alrighty, here we go. So we have, oh, I like that character on there. That's pretty cool. And I'm guessing this is from that Spawn issue. Yeah. Okay, so what's the number 5? Where there is day, there is night. Where there is day, there is night. Night Watch and Day Watch double feature, maybe? That's my guess. Alright, let's try it. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. We have... Oh my god. Well, it's half right. It's Night Watch. Yeah, I've actually been wanting to check these out for quite a while, too, because I've heard they are fantastic. Yes, indeed. And, I think, is this based on a comic book, isn't it? I thought, something like that. Novelist. Doesn't say specifically. Russian screen, based on the novel. It was based on a novel. Okay. Oh, it was based on a graphic novel, but it's based on a novel. Very cool. Yeah, I honestly, I still don't know much about this. This is one, I think I did actually own it briefly, and I never got around to watching it. But, yeah, very cool. So we got vampires, and so the forces of light and darkness coexisted in a delicate balance for hundreds of years until now. Even as the Night Watch polices the dark, others, among them vampires, witches, and shapeshifters, a chain of mysterious events triggers an age-old prophecy, shattering the balance and unleashing an apocalyptic war unlike the world has ever known. Holy run-on sentences, Batman. That entire description is 1 sentence. Oh no, it's 2. Okay, 2 sentences. Very cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy checking that out. Finally, I think I have. Was it you that sent me the video game of this? I think that's what it was. I have the video game of this, like the Windows game, somewhere. It's kicking around here somewhere. Of course, it's probably been so long now it won't even run on my computer, but we'll see. Number 6, and here's an other, eh? Is it Day Watch? I don't know. Let's find out. What am I ripping apart here? I don't know. It has pretty nice artwork. Whatever it is. Alright, here we go. Maybe it's that Spawn comic again? I don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely that Spawn comic, because there he is glaring at me from the fold of the paper. Alright. Well, sorry Spawn, you're making way for other things. Oh, there we go. How did I know? I called it. Day Watch. There we go. So we can actually have the full double feature here and watch the entire saga. Boobies. Boobies. Did I mention boobies? There's boobies. I like boobies. Yay, boobies. Okay, so a couple more here. That is quite a nice little stack of Blu-rays. Awesome. Awesome. Can you even see that there? If I move this over a tad. There we go. Alright, number 7. Do call girls charge tax? Oh my god, is this going to be Secret Diary of a Call Girl starring Billie Piper? Because I've seen the first season of that and I thought it was awesome. Let me see. Let's see what we got here. Nope. But that said, you should totally see Secret Diary of a Call Girl starring Billie Piper, because it's awesome. We have Sean Connery and Wesley Snipes in Rising Sun, which I've never seen. So awesome. So get a bit of a Wesley, or not a Wesley Snipes. Sorry. I was thinking Wesley Snipes was Denzel Washington. I always get those two mixed up. I don't know why. And finally, number 8. In case you didn't have enough movies about hookers and revenge. Well, can you ever truly have enough movies about hookers and revenge? I don't think so. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Hookers and revenge. Oh, well there you go. We got Melissa Leo in Street Walking. yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. But cool, from Shout Factory. I've never heard of this. Let's see what we got here. Directed by Joan Freeman. Okay, Academy Award-winning actress Melissa Leo, the fighter, stars as Cookie, a teen runaway who escapes her abusive stepfather. Oh, excuse me. And heads for the Big Apple along with her younger brother. When she arrives at the Port Authority bus terminal, Cookie meets a charming but sadistic pimp named Duke, played by Dale Midkiff from Pet Sematary. With nowhere to go, Cookie is soon working for Duke, who introduces her to the harsh, brutal life of a prostitute. Also starring Antonio Fargas, Julie Newmar, Leon Robinson, Randall Batinkoff, and Candy Alexander. Cool. I've never heard of this, but yeah, no, that sounds really good. And from Shout Factory, no less. Awesome. Cool. I will check that out. I do love me some Drammer. Some Drammer. Maybe watch this with oh my God! I didn't even realize it's from the Roger Corman collection. Awesome. That makes me even more want to watch it more. She dropped out of high school this morning. Tonight she's a Times Square hooker. There you go. Pure class all the way. See, now this cover makes it look like Academy Award nominee, blah, 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 blah. You know, just really super classy and artsy. This makes it look like, now playing at your local drive-in. Yeah, so, very cool. Whew, there we go. Good stuff. And, of course, we have City, is that going to stay? Okay, City of Others. And I think I buried my glasses somewhere. Great. I have no idea where they went. Awesome. Oh, no, they're there. Just under a few comics. Whew! Wow. Well, that is spectacular. Thank you very much, Phuckinaye. That is fucking awesome. Fucking A for awesome. Yeah, that is quite an impressive grab bag of stuff. Definitely going to enjoy every single one of those. That's fantastic. Yeah, got some great stuff for Halloween. Incredible Melting Man, Night Watch, Day Watch, City of Others, and some good old Drammer with JFK, Training Day, bit of action, and Street Walking, Rising Sun, of course, and then, of course, some classic 60s sci-fi with Fantastic Voyage. Awesome. Thank you very, very much. Much appreciated. I think I'll get over the destruction of the comics eventually. It might take me a while, though. No, honestly, I mean, it's pretty apparent they were pretty trashed, and I don't think I'm going to try to save a single page of them, because that's just sad. Alrighty, that is it from me to you for now, folks. So until next time, thanks for watching, and sayonara.